Right, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, I'm Koko Komarudin with NPM P220206240. So in this video, I will give you a presentation about geometry. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Koko Komarudin. Date of birth 23 March 2001 NPM, and you can see another information about me on the screen. Next, what is geometry? Geometry is a branch of mathematics that studies the sizes, shapes, positions, angles, and dimensions of things. To the shapes in geometry, flat shapes like squares, circles, and triangles are part of flat geometry and are called 2D shapes. These shapes have only two dimensions, the length and the width. Examples of 2D shapes in flat geometry are as shown below. In the picture below, you can see circle, triangle, square, and rectangle as 2D shapes in flat geometry. 2D shapes can be further classified as open and closed shapes. Open shapes can be defined as a shape or figure whose line segments and or curves do not meet. They do not start and end at the same point. Closed shapes are geometric shapes that begin and end at the same point. Next, 3D shapes in geometry. In geometry, a three-dimensional shape can be defined as a solid figure or an object or shape that has three dimensions, length, width, and height. Unlike two-dimensional shapes, three-dimensional shapes have thickness or depth. The attributes of a three-dimensional figure are faces, edges, and vertices. The three dimensions compose the edges of a 3D geometric shape. A cube, rectangular prism, sphere, cone, and cylinder are the basic three-dimensional shapes we see around us. Angle. In geometry, an angle can be defined as the figure formed by two rays meeting at a common endpoint. An angle is represented by the symbol like this. Angles are measured in degrees using a protractor. For example, 45 degrees is represented as you can see on screen like that. Next, the angles are classified based on their measurements as an acute angle measures less than 90 degrees. An obtuse angle is between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. A right angle precisely measures 90 degrees. An angle measuring exactly 180 degrees is straight angle. A reflex angle measures between 180 degrees into 360 degrees. A complete angle measures 360 degrees. The vertex of a shape where two edges meet form an angle. Different shapes in geometry have different angle measures. For example, a triangle is a three-sided shape, and the sum of its three interior angles is 180 degrees. A square, rectangle, or quadrilateral are four-sided shapes, and the sum of their four interior angles is 360 degrees. Or polygons like pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon have 5, 6, 7, 8 sides respectively and varying angles. Next, examples of different polygons with their angles and sides are as shown below. As you can see on the screen, you can see triangle, square, pentagon, and hexagon. You can see triangle has in the other side, in the other angle, it has 90 degrees, and the other angles it has 45 degrees. And the sum of the three-sided angle of triangle is 180 degrees. Then square. As you can see in square, you can see in the four sided of its angle, it has 90 degrees. And the sum of the four sided interior angles is 360 degrees. And then pentagon and hexagon. We learn various aspects of service like the measurement of angles, length of sides, area, volume, etc. in geometry. Similarity and congruence are two important aspects of geometry. Next, coordinate plane. Coordinate plane. A coordinate plane is a 2D surface formed by using two number lines that intersect each other at the right angle. The horizontal number line is the x-axis and the vertical number line is the y-axis. The intersections of the two axes is the 0.0 coordinate. Using the coordinate plane, we plot points, lines, etc. By joining various points on the coordinate plane, we can create shapes. You can see on screen the 2D surface called coordinate plane. We use formula and theorems to solve the geometry problems. A formula is a mathematical equation to solve a geometry problem, while a theorem is a statement that is proved using previously known facts. For example, the Pythagoras theorem proves that a quadrat plus b quadrat is equal as c quadrat for right angled triangle, where a and b are the sides of the right angled triangle and c is the hypotenuse. You can see on the screen the picture. Then, however, a quadrat plus b quadrat is equal as c quadrat is the formula for finding the hypotenuse of a right angled triangle. Fun facts: the word geometry is made from the Greek words geo, meaning earth, and metri, meaning measurement. So geometry has a meaning earth measurement. Then solve examples. The first examples. Is the given shape an example of a simple closed curve that is also a polygon? Okay, see on the screen, see the picture on screen. That is a simple closed curve. Solution. A closed shape that doesn't cross itself is simple closed curve. Polygons are closed shapes formed of only straight lines like triangles, rectangles, pentagons, and so on. The given figure is curved and is not made of only straight line. This is not a polygon. Polygon must have just straight line. Example number 2. In a triangle ABC, right angle at B, if angle C is equal as 45 degrees, what is the measure of angle A? Okay. It has solved. Solution. Triangle ABC is the given right triangle with angle B 90 degrees. Sum of the angles of triangle is equal as 180 degrees. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal as 180 degree. And then angle A plus angle C is equal as 180 degree minus 90 degrees is equal as 90 degrees. But angle C is equal as 45 degrees. Hence, angle A is equal as 90 degrees minus 45 degrees is equal as 45 degrees. Okay, then number 3, you can see the picture and solution on screen. Next. Okay. If you have questions, you can type your questions below in the comment section. Okay, thank you. Maybe that's all from me. Okay, that's all from me. Thanks for attention. Nobody is perfect. Without exception, me too. So I want to apologize if I have mistakes in my presentation. Thanks for attention, and then Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.